Good. I want to welcome everybody that is here today. I want to assure you that your time will not be wasted, and I hope you'll be able to get exactly what you actually needed. Actually, this is just like a test run to be sure how effective the training is going to be. Actually, I'm using WhatsApp voice because I know it is easily accessible for everybody, but the major challenge is that it can't be controlled by the admin. That means I can't control this the chat, in terms of maybe if I want to mute you or unmute you. You have to do the control from your own hand. So that is why I don't actually make it public to see if this WhatsApp will be effective. Otherwise, we will be using, if it's not really too much of effective, we'll be using Google Meet at the next time we are going to be meeting. But I've not said that, and I'm just thinking about that. So now, I want to welcome everybody to this class. I want to first say Merry Christmas to you all. I'm sure you will enjoy your meal, and happy Boxing Day. Just the day they name what they call today. So now we are going to just go straight to the training. Basically, it's supposed to start with introduction to computer strictly, but most of the people here, I'm very sure you understand, or you have your basic knowledge in computing, even though there are still some things I'm very sure that you don't know. But I won't go straight there. I will go straight to Corel Draw because I understand and I know that most people here have more interest to know how to use Corel Draw. So I will be doing the introduction now, and I've prepared a slide. And before then, somebody asked me what's the requirement in doing Corel Draw. Don't let me say Corel Draw. Let me just say graphics in general. You just need your system. You have your normal basic knowledge on computer. You have a system or a mobile phone. Either you have a system or a mobile phone, or you have both. You understand? System and a mobile phone, because this graphics will actually entails using of system, and then later we are going to use mobile also. We are going to use mobile. So it's not necessary that you need to have a system before you can do graphic design, because the advance that we have now has made graphics possible with our mobile phone. Now, the continuation of this course, okay, I will say that one later. Don't let me say that one now. So let's start with the introduction. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint presentation, and then this is, I'm sure you are not seeing it. I know you are not seeing it here, but by the time I upload it in the YouTube, you can easily go through it again. But I hope you understand. You will hear me and understand what I'm trying to pass across, because I'm actually doing a kind of a presentation here. So that is one of the reasons why we might likely be using Google Meet or Telegram in the next meeting, the next training session. Because if it is Telegram or Google Meet, you'll be able to see my screen. You'll be able to see my screen. But now I know that you are not seeing the screen, but you will get the link to watch it later. So please don't be discouraged because you are not seeing this screen. Don't be discouraged with that, please. So now this is graphics. Then I put here system graphics / mobile graphics by Adeniji Israel, which is which I'm going to be the facilitator. So what do we mean by design? Designing with computer is called computer aided design, which we call system graphics and mobile graphics. And designing with computer offers so many advantages that engineers, technologists, professionals, and so many others make use of in their everyday work. So I'm very sure that is why most of you want to use you want to know this graphics, because there is a particular area of your profession that you actually want to apply it. So that is why I know that's why you are here today. So after going through this lesson, be able to understand various graphic software, use various menu bars and graphic tools of Corel Draw and Canva, use various text tools and Docker tools in Corel Draw, and templates on Canva. Now, I want you to understand something. AI has actually made doing graphics very, very simple and very, very fast. You can easily design like a professional. In fact, after this class, by the time you are doing your design, you will even wonder yourself that are you the one that actually did this, because it's going to look very, very okay, in the sense that I'm trying to choose my word because there are still some things I don't want to, there are still some information I don't just want to release immediately in this early stage of this graphic. So let's continue. When we talk about graphic, what do we mean? We say it's the process of creating visual content using typography, images, and other graphic elements to communicate a specific messages or idea. It involves a combination of creativity and technical skill to create visual design that are effective and engaging, and it is important for visual communication, brand recognition, consistency, professionalism, emotional appeal. So these are some examples of graphics. Looking at these graphics, they are combination of text and object. I love to use that as a definition of graphics, combination of manipulation of text and object. On my screen now, you'll be seeing some of the graphics I did. Some of the graphics there you can do it within 10 minutes, but they look very, very okay. This one now, you see, this is just a design of a New Year message in 2019 by Bismart. You see one at the top here, this marriage banner. The marriage is going to be done on this weekend at Benue State. So we have a client that brought this design for us. Is the job. It's actually a press work. We helped them to do banner. We did exercise book. We did sticker, and we did some other souvenirs. They are going to be used during the wedding. Then we have some schools again. This is one department of a school that we help to do some souvenir. There are these corporate bankers and civil engineering department, and there is another front of a company profile here. This company is actually located in Nasarawa. We help them to do their company profile. Of course, there are a number of clients that we actually work for. I'm saying this so that you will understand that Bismart is not just a baby or a beginner in the graphics. We have the experience, and we want you to know, to be assured that you actually get the best of the time you are given. Now, Corel Draw graphic software. We have different graphic software. We have Photoshop, Corel Draw, Inkscape, Sketch, Affinity Designer, Canva, GIMP, Figma, Procreate, Graphics Designer. Then we have Blender. Then again we have different version of Corel Draw, but here we'll be using Corel X5. It doesn't matter the Corel version you are using. I want to let you to know that we are still going to be using all the basic tools that is included in all the version, whether from Corel 10, even if it is Corel 9, but I'm very sure you won't be seeing Corel 9 on the market. Corel 9, 10, 11, 12, up to Corel X9, which is maybe 2017. Not X7, X9, 2017. I think there is Corel 2020 as well. No matter the version of Corel Draw you are using, you will be able to follow us. You'll be able to use this tutorial. Then this is logo of different softwares for graphic design. Then for graphic app, we have Adobe Photoshop Express. I'm talking about the mobile one. We have Canva, we have Procreate, Sketchbook, PicMonkey, Pixel, Mator, OV, Affinity, and etc. Now we have shown you some of the logo, especially the Canva that we are going to be using for the mobile graphics. This is Canva here. I've shown you the Corel Draw at the earlier version. Then this is Adobe and some of the other applications. Now you have to understand that there are some sites that actually helps in graphics nowadays. Graphics actually entails that you think deep. You have to think deep to understand what you need to do. You have to have a kind of a focus, a kind of a creativity in your mind. You understand? When somebody wants to do any graphics, you have to think of something, then you come to the system to actually design what is in your heart. But there are some different sites that provide different templates to help you facilitate your drawing, to help you facilitate your design. So there are different sites like that, just like the canva.com, FreePic, PicBest, and a lot of them. There are some that are free, there are some that you have to pay, but most of the ones that are free, we are going to be using them so that you know that you won't be arrested or you won't be embarrassed for plagiarism. Then we have some other graphics image too, where you can get free graphic image that will help you. So all these ones, they are apps, they are templates. The one I know you are not seeing it there, but from the video you are going to see it. You have template that you can easily download and edit. How you are going to do that, the way you are going to do that, you are going to be taught and you are going to be showed in this tutorial. So sites that you will get images that you need to combine in order to get a very fascinating design is also there. Now coming to system graphic curriculum, what are we going to do? Actually we are outlined with 8 weeks. 8 weeks, we might decided to make it 8 days, so what really matters is that for us to have at least 8 hours of contact. Once we have 8 hours of contact hour for this system graphics, then we are good to go. We are good to go. So week 1, which is the orientation class, that's what we are doing now. Week 2, I will be doing introduction to Corel Draw. Then week 3, you do the practical of what we learned in week 2. Week 4, working with tests in Corel Draw, you go to the practical. Then week 6, advanced design techniques in Corel Draw, you go to the practical. Then week 8, outputting and exporting your design. Then last you have a project to work upon. You have a project to work upon. I'm sure you are still hearing me, please. Can mute yourself and answer me, then mute yourself back. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. So let's continue now. Why Corel Draw? Why do we choose Corel Draw? There are several reasons why Corel Draw is chosen over other graphic design software, depending on the specific need and preferences of the user. Here are some of the advantages of Corel Draw. Versatility, its user-friendly interface, compatibility, it has advanced feature, and it has cost-effective. It is cost-effective. You can easily get Corel Draw on their site. You can easily download it and buy the what do you call it now? Buy the key in order to enable it. Then going to mobile graphics curriculum, we follow the same pattern. We follow the same way we will do with Corel Draw. That is the same curriculum we are going to follow. The orientation class that we are having now, we have introduction to Canva. You do go to your practical. We do design principles. You do your practical, advanced design techniques. Go for practical, then branding and marketing with Canva. Then you go to do the practical, and at the end you will be doing, there is going to be a project which is going to design using a template. Then the output, the design for print or export as PDF or JPEG for digital distribution. So why do we choose Canva? Canva too is very user friendly. It has a user friendly interface. It has variety of design template. It is affordable in price. The collaboration has a collaboration feature, then branding capability also. So these are the reasons why we chose Canva over other mobile app, graphics mobile app. Then the reason we chose Corel Draw over other graphics mobile app. So in order not to take much of our time, because this is just need to serve as an introduction, I don't know if there is any question that you will like to ask relating to what is being discussed now from the introduction. Are you there? If there is any question, you can unmute yourself and ask. Okay, instead of unmuting yourself and ask, let me just call you one by one. So if there is any question, you just ask your question. If there is no question, just tell me no question. So let me call Precious. Precious, are you there? Yeah, is there any question so far? Okay, thank you, you're welcome. Okay, yes, Yemi. Hello, Yemi, are you there? Okay, is there any question? Okay, is there any question? Okay, okay, thank you very much. Teniola, are you there? Tenny, are you there? Winners, winners, are you there? Okay, maybe they are not hearing me. Okay, Comfort, are you there? Any question? Comfort, okay. Any? Okay, don't worry, you will get to watch the video to understand better, so you can easily put your comments and your observation in the comment section in the video, because it's going to be uploaded on the YouTube so that everyone will have access to it at any time. So a link will be sent to the platform for easy accessibility. So don't forget, and I'm saying this, that please make sure you are ready with your Telegram or Meet, Google Meet. I'm sure you know Google Meet, and I'm very sure you know Telegram. So we will be working on any of the two. Then just make sure you have any of these platform in your on your mobile set or on your system. They will help a lot so that you'll be able to see my screen. You understand? For the next, because I don't think it will be okay for me to be seeing my screen alone and just be doing things without you seeing it over there. Even though you are going to see it later, but I think it is going to be better. Okay, somebody is telling me that it's screen. So I think it's going to be better if you see the screen. So please make sure you download Google Meet and make sure you have Telegram. Telegram and Google Meet. Though I prefer Telegram, but before the next class, please make sure you have any of the two. Of course, the next class is week 2. It's not expected to be next week. I'm very sure you know that. So the next class will be tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be our week 2. So, but I will let you to know the time that is going to be. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So we meet later. And I want to tell you once again that this is Bismarck Technology and Educational Service. Your satisfaction is always our concern. Take care of yourself till tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.